Today on Mike Attempts, fixing a faucet drip. Our 13-year-old Delta faucet recently developed a case of the drips. Time to replace the seats and springs. Start by turning off the water. And make sure it's definitely off. The handles are held on by set screws. Use an Allen wrench to back the screw out a few turns. Then lift straight up to remove the handle. Remove the bonnet nut from each side. Take note of where the stops are located. On the left side, the stop is in the front, while on the right side, it's in the back. Grab the stem and wiggle it slightly while pulling up. This is the piece you'd replace if the leak was coming from under the handle. Now, if you look down inside, you'll see the culprit. Use a pick to pull out the spring and seat. I forgot, but it'd probably be a good idea to close the drain stopper. Here's the new set. The springs are tapered. The wide end is the bottom, and the seat goes on top, like a little hat. Lower the new spring and seat into the hole and press it into place. If it's easier, you can soak up the remaining water with a paper towel. Now's a good time to clean up around the edges. The newly installed set should look like this. Make sure the stop is in the correct position and the flat is facing out. Then press down on the top of the stem and hand tighten the bonnet nuts. Snug them up just a bit with a wrench. Drop on the handles and tighten the set screws. Turn the water back on, check for leaks, and you're done. No more drips. Feel free to rate this video, add your comments and questions below, and subscribe for more.